Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Lively is running and visible. This matters because only the active app can remove live wallpapers. Open the Lively main window, then locate the wallpaper currently set. Once you see the active entry, right-click or select the three-dot menu to reveal options. This is where removal begins. Make sure no full-screen app is blocking changes because that can prevent preview updates. Act now. Identify the exact wallpaper item and expose its context menu so you can proceed to deletion. You now perform the core removal. From the wallpaper's context menu, choose Unset or Remove. If Delete appears, pick it to remove files. Once selected, confirm the prompt so Lively stops the wallpaper service for that entry. This ensures system resources free up. If the wallpaper came from a package or Steam workshop, navigate to the Package Manager or Workshop tab and remove that package too. Make sure to also clear any temporary cache entries in Lively, so the wallpaper cannot resurrect on restart. Finish by restarting Lively and, if necessary, reboot Windows. This forces the desktop to refresh and clears lingering processes. Once done, verify Lively settings. Auto Start, Saved Profiles, or Sync can reapply the wallpaper, so disable those if you want it gone permanently. If the wallpaper still appears, navigate to the Lively Data folder and delete the wallpaper folder manually. That removes stray assets. Troubleshooting tip: if removal fails repeatedly, reinstall Lively to reset settings and then reattempt deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.